you. Health cure, let's go. I mean horse medicine. Oh, that's a health cure. Sadly, it did not. Alright, let's just stop this train. Climb up here, down here, and let's go. Get out of here, buddy. I'm gonna name my horse. Alright, I just wanna name it. Don't know what I would name my horse. Don't.
Oh, for Lord's sake! Put that book away and go to hell. Oh, Mary Beth.
Alright, moving somewhere. Got my hat back
So
on.
we getting out of this hellhole?
We're gonna try. Weather seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able
Valentine's
to hide out
Day?
there, no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's gone wrong with old Dutch.
Music coming on, let's go. This music? Okay.
Lenny! Micah, get over here!
Yes, boss.
You two ride up ahead, make sure there's no surprises. We've had enough of those.
Me with the boy?
Just go.
Come on, kid. You can buy me a whiskey.
Alright, here we go. Then we just oh day or something like that, or just type it honestly.
Get us out the stream.
Hey, watch out for the rock.
Gotta keep us moving, but calm.
And the wheel broke.
Shit.
Okay.
Okay, let's take a look.
You all right back there? Does everything look all right?
Well, what's going on?
Ah,
Oh my
broke
gosh.
the goddamn wheel.
All right, let's get it fixed.
You need help?
I reckon we can handle it.
I reckon we can handle this.
Let me
Let's
hold
go.
the thing up while you try and put the wheel back on, Arthur.
You still strong enough to hold up a wagon?
Shut up.
Just saying.
Don't say less. Pick the wheel up.
Yeet. Yeet.
Nearly
Yeet
there.
this. Yeet this.
There.
Just yeet it. Arthur Morgan. Thought you were strong,
Hey.
bro. Kidding.
You ain't so useless after all.
Not quite.
I think we're gonna have company. Might have a fight on our hands. I have no idea. Probably not though. Don't know.
What do you think?
If they wanted trouble, we wouldn't have seen them.
Poor bastards. We really screwed them over down here. Come on, let's not push our luck.
What happened?
Well, get in. I'll tell you.
It might be actually just
Not too
Indians.
far now. Stay on this trail. We'll follow the river, then cut left inland.
Yeah.
So, yes, the Indians in these parts got sold a very raw deal.
Oh, that sucks.
This is the heartlands we're going to. Good farming and grazing country. They lost it all. Stolen
Oh, I
clear
lost
away
some
from them
stuff.
it was, every blade of grass.
Maybe some folks never know.
Killed or herded up to the reservations in the middle of nowhere.
And how's that different from anywhere else?
Well, maybe it's not. I just heard some of the army out here was particularly unpleasant about it.
Unpleasant? How do you rob and kill people pleasantly?
You don't.
We don't, in spite of Dutch's talk.
I fear I was perhaps trying to simplify something more complicated for the benefit of our block-headed driver here.
Hey,
Don't blame it on me.
rude.
Never forget, this here's a con man, Charles, born and bred. Just 'cause it sounds fancy don't mean he knows a damn thing about what he's talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, yes,
So-
the fetus.
What happened to your tribe?
I don't even know if I have one. At least, not that I can remember. My father was a colored man. He told me he lived with our people for a while. A number of free men did, but when we were forced to move from our lands, the three of us fled. I was too young to really remember much. My whole life I've been on the run.
All
Couple
my
years later,
life
some
I've
soldiers captured my
been
mother.
on the
Took her somewhere.
run.
We never saw her again. We drifted
All my
around.
life,
He was
been
a
on my
very
run.
sad man.
All
The
my
drink had a
life
mean
I've
hold
been on
him.
the run now.
Around 13, I just took off on my own.
That was about the age we found young Arthur here. Maybe a little older. A wilder delinquent you never did see. But he learned fast.
Not as fast as Marston, apparently.
Wait, I don't understand. What's the problem between you two?
Arthur?
It's a long story. Yeah. We still heading the right way?
That depends. Are we still heading west in search of fortune and repose in virgin forests as we planned? No. Are we heading in the correct direction on our desperate escape from the law eastwards down the mountains? Yes, I believe so.
You know this area?
A little. I've been through a couple of times. There's a livestock town not too far from here called Valentine. Cowboys, outlaws, working girls, our kind of place.
I'm assuming that's a
Driscoll's?
positive.
Probably them too.
Like another name for that back in the
Let's
day.
hope not.
And this place we're going. Wait, what's it called again?
Horseshoe
Valentine? Oh,
It's a good place to lie low.
Overlook. It'll do for now. And how low do you think Dutch is really going to lie? It's just, you know, maybe it's me who's changed, not him, but we kept telling him that ferry job didn't feel right. You and me had a real lead in Blackwater that could have worked out.
Maybe.
It just isn't like Dutch to lose his head like that.
Things go wrong sometimes. People die. It's the way it is. Always has been. Me, you, Dutch. We've all been in this line of work a long time. And we're still here, so... I figure we must have got it right a hell of a lot more than we got it wrong. What are you working on there, anyway?
Just some yarrow and ginseng. Good for the health. Better than that stuff you buy in the store. Yeah, you can have all this. I'm at the point where I can do it with my eyes closed.
Okay.
thank you, Hosea. Gotta go fast. Here we go. Ah, ah.
worry. Follow the track for a bit.
Thanks.
Alright, let's go.
Hey, slow up. I'll jump on.
Hop on. Javier Escuela. Oh, skrrr.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Do this.
Any trouble getting in here, Javier?
Nope. It went well. This is a good spot.
Excellent. I think this will work for us, Arthur. For now, anyway. Here we are, gentlemen. Home sweet home.
You weren't wrong, Hosea. This place is perfect.
I hope so.
Gentlemen, we have survived.
For now.
Now, it is time to prosper.
Arthur and I were about to prosper in Blackwater. We were onto something big. Then Micah got you all excited about that ferry, and here we are.